Today, I'm going to show you how to split message window in Outlook for email composition. This is a really useful feature if you want to view different parts of a long email simultaneously or compare two sections side by side without constantly scrolling back and forth. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Give it a moment to fully load your inbox and all your folders. This ensures everything is properly synced before we make any customization changes. Once your email has loaded, to split the message window in Outlook for email composition, start by navigating to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab. This is where you'll access all the core settings and options that control how Outlook behaves. Once the File menu has opened, look at the very bottom part and you'll see your Outlook options. Click on it and an Outlook options window will appear. This is your central hub for customizing nearly every aspect of Outlook. From the Outlook options window, look for the Customize ribbon tab located on the left side panel and click on it. This section lets you add or remove commands from your ribbon, giving you quick access to tools you use most often. Under the ribbon customization menu, first click on the Choose Commands from dropdown and select commands not in the ribbon. You'll see several action commands listed that aren't visible by default. From here, scroll down until you find the Split Window option. Click on it to select it. Then on the right part of your screen where the tabs are located, select from which tabs you wish to add this action command to. Most people add it to the Home tab or Message tab for easy access. Once you've selected a destination tab, click the Add button in the middle between these two lists. You'll see that the split window is now added. Then click on OK. This saves your customization and closes the options window. Now let's test the split window action. Select a sample email from your inbox pane and open it. Once opened, look at the newly added action command and click on Split. You'll notice a divider appears in the middle that splits your window into two. These two windows function separately. You can scroll through different parts of your email independently, which is incredibly helpful when working with long messages or comparing information from different sections. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled and used the split window feature in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.